Friends, I'm back with another machine on the Tryhackme, which is cat pictures. I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the machine. As always, I'd like to use the Kali Linux, which is running inside the VMware to do this preparation. Before we start today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You are greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. So then we can switch into the Kali Linux VM. As you can see, I've already opened up some tabs, and to save time, I've already done the map scanning. As you can see, I use the option of the scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and output the result into this file. And I also use this option -p- to do the comprehensive scan, and also will not do the live testing of the target. Of course, the IP address is changed. So maybe I can make the terminal to be bigger so you can see what's going on. From the map scanning results, as you can see over here, the several open ports. The first one, E21. The state is filtered. A bit weird, right? And the 22 is SSH, and also the corresponding information. Corresponding version information, as we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. And also the Docker filtered the state. So maybe, there's something running at the background. Maybe. And the next one is 4420, which is running this one. However, the map is not so certain about the result. So maybe later we can check it manually. Please, cd commands do not work at the moment. The developers are fixing it at the moment, and we need to enter password. So maybe next or later we can use netcat to connect to the target, of this port number, on this port number. The last one is 8080, which is running HTTP service and also the version information. So what we are going to do next? We need to do the enumeration with with this one, 8080, maybe this one. The 4420. So we can use the netcat and followed by the IP address of the target. And port number. However, we need to enter password. For example, we can try admin. Invalid password. So what are we going to do next? We need to do the enumeration with web application running over the port number 8080, right? Let's launch our browser first, and we can copy the IP address of the target. Or maybe I have already opened up this one, and we can put the IP address and followed by the port number. We got the page back. From the page style, it looks like this some sort of the forum. Nowadays is not very popular, right? And also we can log in and register. So maybe we can check whether we can use the admin with admin as password to log in. Failed. Don't save. And also we can try to use the login bypass technique to log in. Failed. And also we can register. We can agree to these terms. For example, like JSON password must be at least 6 characters long. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And email address like test and test.com. And we need to provide the confirmation code. P4S Z. Submit. However, here we got the error back highlighted in red color. Yet the entered email domain has no valid MX record. It means that this email address is invalid. So maybe, we cannot do anything about the rejection. And I'd like to go back to the home page. Maybe I can remove this part and access it again. So there is the first form we can click into. And in this first column, there is one post. And this post, which is telling us knock knock magic numbers. Yeah, this should be the port numbers, right? So we can copy this information onto our notebook. And this, we need to do some sort of the knock on each of port number, and the port number should use this specific order, and we can use the tool knock D. Yeah, I have already opened up this one. Of course, to install this tool is very easy. We just use the packet manager like apt to install it, and we can go back to our Linux. Before we try to knock on the target with this order of port numbers, I think I'd like to do the furthermore emulation with this web application. For example, I can use the Q and to see whether this site has robots file, right? Port number. Don't forget to specify the port number. Yeah, we got some information back. However, I think if you look at this source code carefully, we can tell that the target has no robots file. Okay. Next, we can use the Nicto to do the emulation. Sorry about this. Pop up. And followed by the IP address of the target. Nicto can give us the information about the web application, like version information, the detailed information, version information, and also can give us like header information, allowed HTTP methods, and also some common files or directories. However, we cannot get anything interesting from the Nicto. To save time, I'd like to quit. And next, we can use the GoBuster to do the directory emulation, and followed by the IP address of the target. And I'd like to use the word list of the GoBuster directory. txt back. Let's press enter. GoBuster is my most favorite tool to do the directory brute forcing or emulation. Although we can get so many different files and directories, and you can check them one by one. However, we cannot get anything interesting. To save time, I'd like to quit from this process. So maybe now it's time to use the knock utility to make knocking on the target. So I'd like to use knock, and followed by the IP address. You can use the H option, which can give us the instruction on how to use this utility. So we can knock and followed by the host. We can copy the IP address of the target and the port number. Yeah, we need to use the port number. Also, we can use the V option to give us the verbose information, I think. As you can see, it's hitting. So of course, next, it will be, we need to use the mmap or the mass scan to do the full range port scan. However, it will take very long time. To save time, I'd like to make nmap scanning on the specific port number, because from the initial nmap scanning, we can tell the FTP is filtered. So maybe this time after we make knocking, the FTP can be opened this time. So we can map P port number and the IP address of the target. Let's press enter. However, we also get the same state, which is filtered. So, for me, I think we need to do the more knocks on the target and make a map. As you can see, this time FTP is opened. Now we can log in to the target via FTP to see whether we can use the anonymous as username to log in. As you can see, we are successfully logging as anonymous users. And now we can list files on the target. There is just only one file. We can download this file onto our, not cat, the get node txt. And then we can quit from the FTP. Next, we can cut out this file. In case I forget my password, I'm leaving a pointer to the internal shell surface on the server. Connect to port number. The password is this one. So maybe we can note it down onto our notebook. Password. All right, we can use the netcat. And then we can put the password. Accept it. Of course, this is not a standard shell. For example, if you run the ID, you're not found. And also, we can run the Python not found. So maybe we can spawn the reverse shell from this internal shell surface. How to do it? We can go to the reverse shell, the pentest monkey, and I tried this one, which was not working. So maybe this one is the right choice for us. We can copy. Of course, I already made a copy earlier, and we just copy this reverse shell command, and then we can paste in here. However, before we press enter, we need to set up the listener first. And press enter. As you can see, we got the shell, which is, I think, seems better. However, we still cannot run the command. So what can we do? Maybe we need to do some local immersion. We can go to the home directory. There is one user cat lover. So maybe we can copy the username. There is just only one normal username. We can note it down. The username should be cat lover. Also I like cat as well. So next we can go inside this directory, the home directory of this user. And there is one executable ROME. So we can download this file onto the Kali Linux for analysis, right? So how to do it? Because we cannot run, we cannot run Python. In this room, I'd like to show you another technique, which will utilize the netcat to transfer file. Okay, in order for us to do that, we need to set up another listener with a different port number. And when the listener, this new listener received the data and will write into the file. We use the same file name, so we can press enter. And now go back here. We can cat ROME and tunnel to netcat and copy the IP address of the Kali Linux. And we need to use the port number. Different port number from the early one. We can press enter. And now we can go back to here. As you can see, we got the data back from the target. So I'd like to quit, and we can make it executable. And then we can use some commands, for example, like strings. Even sometimes we need to make debugging, use like Ghidra. And now we can use the string. This string command will reveal readable characters inside this file. A lot of output. However, if we scroll up, as you can see, we got some very interesting information. Please enter your password. Welcome, cat number, SSH key, transfer queued, and touch to this temp directory. So maybe this should be some sort of the password. We can note it down onto another book in case we need such information later. And now we go back to this terminal. So maybe we can run this binary or executable. We need to supply the password to run this binary. So maybe we can try to use this password. And as you can see, welcome, cat number, SS key, transfer queued. So maybe there's some task running at the background which will transfer SSH key. We can check out, and we can go to the temp directory. And we can, however, this size is 0. It means that this file is empty. However, if we go back to the home directory and then go to the cat lover, nothing. We can as you can see, after a very short while, we got the private key. And we can get out this private key and copy this private key and create. We can copy the content of this file and create the private key locally. And we can vim and paste in here. Right, and quit. And then in order to use this private key, we need to make it executable. Or not executable. We need to use the 400 or 600, which is also fine. We cannot make it executable, otherwise you will get error. When you use this private key to make a collection to the target. Now we can SSH cat lover and the IP address of a target. Hopefully, we can use the private key to log in to the target and use the I option to specify the private key. Yeah, we continue collecting. It looks like it's working. I can see login successfully. However, although from this part or the username we can tell in which it can indicate we are root user. However, from the machine name, we can know that we are inside. Yeah, we are inside the container. So we need to escape from the container, right? And we can make some local immersion. Yeah, nothing. Also, we can upload the limpia shell script to this target, right? And so now I can locate limpias, and I'd like to copy from these two sets to current working directory, and we need to upload this file or this shell script to the target, and we can set up the web server by Python. Now we can go back to the target's shell. We can use wget and followed by the Kali Linux IP address, port number, limpias. However, no wget utility. So which Q is there? Yeah, Q is there. So we can use the Q to download, right? And I'd like to open up another one because I need to get the help of the Q, how to output. Okay, all right. So we can use the Q. Limpias. All right. And nothing there. Very weird. I need to use the capital O. This is very imbalancing. Sorry. My typing is terrible. Oh, sorry. No, connection refused. Oh, sorry. I need to use the 8000 rather than 8080. Maybe I can copy this one. Should it be 8000 limpias? I think, yeah, now it's all right. And we can make it executable. And then we can run this shell script to see whether we can find some vectors for us to elevate our privilege. Sorry, not elevate, escape from the container. Oh, password file is writable. However, this information, yeah, inside the container, we have already been root user. And now we can go scroll up. So cron job, no. So maybe I can do some, yeah, I need to navigate across different sports or locations. For example, the OPT. Yeah, the two directories clean. Yeah, there's some shell script, clean shell script. We can cut out this shell script. Yeah, just run very simple command, delete the temp. So what can we do next? Maybe we can upload the PSPY 64 to this target. All right, we can locate PSPY. We can copy from another directory to the current working directory. So I can use the same way to upload, followed by the IP address of the Kali Linux, and followed by the port number PSPY. Oh, sorry. I need to use the option O PSPY. It's done, and we can make it executable and run it. You know, the PSPY to allow us to view all processes, even can, yeah, including the process owned by the root user. So this is also very powerful too when we do the local privilege escalation. This time, yeah, is to escape from the container. We'll wait for some time. At this point, this shell script, we very suspicious that there's some cron job running at the background as cron job, right? However, I'd like to use the PSPY to make exact analysis on the processes of the target. Because this technique is the one we must grasp as a pen tester. Maybe at the same time I can use, maybe I can quit from here. I can open up another SSH session, SSH cat lover, and the IP address of the target, and just specify the private key. Yeah, as you can see, I can make it bigger. Oh, not this one. You can go to the OPT. OPT. Yeah, current user, root user can go to the clean. So maybe we can add or append another reverse shell command to this shell script, and then we can get another shell, right? And to see, which user this shell belongs to. Okay, so let's do it. And we can use, this one. This reverse shell command. We can echo. However, we need to use a different port number. This port number is fine. And we can append to the clean. And then we can set up another listener. So far we didn't get any weird or interesting process on the target. Okay, so I like to switch to this shell, to this tab, to see whether we can get another shell originated from the target. Echo. And I'd like to make sure my command, my reverse shell command is set properly. Okay, we got another shell. And from this machine name or host name, we can tell, we are now in the real, we get the real root privilege, real root shell. Then we can go to the home directory, or not home, go to navigate to root directory. And then we can get the root flag without any problem, right? So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.